The iPhone 16 is Apple's latest standard model, combining solid performance, sleek design, and essential features that make it a reliable choice for everyday use. Here's a detailed review. The iPhone 16 features a refined aluminum and glass body with a more compact build, offering a comfortable grip. It has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, though it lacks promotion, limited to 60 Hz refresh rate. Available in classic shades like Midnight, Starlight, and exciting new options like Pacific Blue and Lavender. Powered by the A17 Bionic chip, ensuring fast and smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and app usage. Available in 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB variants, catering to different storage needs. Features a 48MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, allowing for stunning photos and improved low-light performance. Enhanced for sharper, clearer images in challenging lighting conditions. A 12MP true-depth camera with autofocus and 4K video recording capabilities ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. Optimized for all-day use, perfect for casual browsing, media streaming, and social media. Supports 20W fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging, though not as fast as the Pro models. The iPhone 16 runs Apple's latest operating system, offering new widgets, enhanced privacy, and customization options. Introduced for the standard model, making multitasking and notifications more interactive. Ensures faster and more reliable connectivity for streaming, gaming, and downloads. Pros: affordable entry point to Apple's latest tech. Improved camera performance with a 48MP main sensor. Compact, durable design with a stunning display. Long-lasting battery life. Cons: lacks a high refresh rate display, 60 Hz only. Limited to dual cameras, unlike the Pro models. Conclusion: the iPhone 16 is ideal for users seeking a powerful, stylish, and dependable smartphone without splurging on the Pro features. It strikes a great balance between performance and affordability, making it a solid choice for everyday use.